also learned about living simply. The community that we interviewed up there on Mount Colowad Baboy, they lived very simply, as in, I'm not sure if they had running water. I think they had to pump it pa, and then they had an outdoor bathroom, and they didn't have internet. They didn't have Facebook. So it was kind of hard for me to picture a life up there, but then I realized how blessed I was, cause parang I live with a lot of wants that are actually false needs. You know, like Facebook. It's kind of hard to live without it sometimes. But then, it's really a want pala. So, I realized that because the community up there, they lived with their basic needs. They had a shelter, their house, and then they had food, and they got their food by buying and selling copra. Yeah, that was their source of livelihood, buying and selling copra. Then they had water there, although I'm not sure if it was running water, and their drinking water, I think they purified it somewhere else. So, yun, food, water, and shelter. Tapos, their clothes nga. I think they make it themselves. I'm not that sure lang though. So, us down here in Manila, we're really blessed because we live with lots of extravagances and luxuries. Yeah. So,
That's better. Mas ano